Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the first tutorial on EC2, so Elastic Cloud Computing. Today we'll see Windows Cloud Virtual Machines. Okay, so last tutorial we saw how to create the virtual machines, Linux virtual machines, CentOS virtual machines. Today we'll see the Windows virtual machine. Okay, just again go to the EC2 console. Okay, and you can see here you can change the region, whatever region you are near to. Suppose you are in India and ACF Mumbai will be your nearest. So why we choose this? Because when you connect to that, the latency of connectivity, it will be faster than the other region, right? The latency of the connectivity, that's why you have to choose the nearest one. So for the time being I'm choosing Vio, where I have already one virtual machine is running, so I'm just going to create another machine in the same region. Okay, for that what we have to do, the same thing, click on the launch instance. Okay, then you can see here whatever the free tier eligible, right, the machines, the image, okay, the AMI Amazon machine images, right? So whatever free tier eligible, we can find it out. You can search for Windows. Okay, you can see here there are many Windows images and we have to find it out which are the free tier eligible. Okay, so here you can see, okay, I'm going to choose the 2016 base with containers. Now you can see the family. Okay, which family you are doing on the type of instances. There are many type of instances. If you just go through that, you can find it out. Okay, and you can see the usage of that images also, the type of instances. You can see here the micro instances, they are giving what, 12 months of free. Okay, up to 750 hours of micro instances. Okay, and just click once you these are the EBS backed volumes, click on the next, and you can see here the number of instances is 1, and there are lots of other stuffs are there, right? I'm not going to change anything. In my previous video I would have told you all these things. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the size to 30. By default it's giving the size to 30, but let's see what will happen if we reduce to 20 and create the machine, right? You can give the tag here, name, you can give a value like my Windows. Okay, just click on the configure security group. Now we are going to create the security group. Security group is nothing but the firewall, right? I have told you in my first tutorial. So here if you select, I already have 2 existing security groups. If you have existing one to use that, you can select any one of that, but I'm going to create my another security group for Windows. Here the type I'm going to select RDP, then the protocol is TCP. Okay, and the port range, and here if you see there will be custom IP. Custom IP is given all 0, that means the firewall is open for all. Okay, now you can change this also. If you select my IP, it will by default it will take the IP from which machine you have connected to this space, right? That machine IP will by default it will be allowed. That means only this IP can connect to the, through this IP machine you can connect to this Windows machine. You can select also from anywhere you want to connect, means anyone can connect to this machine from anywhere. Okay, if they know the user ID and password. For the time being I have kept my IP. Okay, now if you want to give description or else leave it. So now click on that, you can see just view it once and launch. Here the main thing is to select the key, the key pair, right? This is the key pair through which you have to connect to the machine. So you can create new key pair, or you can use the existing. I'm going to use the existing one. So click on the launch. Okay, the launch is failed. Why? So we need to see why the launch is failed. Okay, here it says like no, minimum is 30 GB required, but we had selected 20. That's what it is. Like, just go to that previous pages where we had selected the EVS volume and the size, right? So we have to increase the size. Now we had give 20, now increase to 30, because the minimum is required 30. We had decreased to 20 to see that on how it works or not, right? That means it's not working, it's failing. Now just go through that and launch again with the existing key. Okay, yes, now you can see your instance are now launching. Good. So we are okay now. Just view instances. See, the instance is processing. It will take few seconds, few minutes, based on your network and all speeds, right? So now it's running. Okay, now it's time to connect from the remote desktop. Just go to the RDP or remote desktop connection, click on that, take the public IP of the machine. Okay, put it here. On the username, by default Windows machines username is administrator. Okay, remember A in uppercase and the rest of the letter are in lowercase, administrator. Okay, now where to get the password? Just click on actions, get Windows password. Okay, here you can see key name is find me, key pair path. So choose the file where you have kept the find me .pem file, right? Certificate file where you have kept in your local. Get and select it and click on the decrypt password. So I already have decrypted the password. Okay, now I can use that password to store to log into the machine. So just go and click connect. Okay, now it will give you the password. Okay, it will ask you for password. Just give the password, click OK. Now it will connect. First time it will ask to accept the certificate, right? So you have to click X, then it's connecting. Okay, yeah, now see, it will take some time to get. Yeah, now our Windows machine is connected, it's up and running. Now we are successfully connected to the Windows machine, right? So thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe my channel to get up to date on all technical stuffs what I'm going to add in my channel.